Hey guys, Dr. Leah here. I thought today we would get a little bit nerdy and talk about the neurology of the stress response. Stick with me. You might have to watch this a couple times as there are some larger words. There's a lot to take in, but basically this is going to tell you exactly why you can't get out of that stress cycle. You are stuck in a stress pool and the stress generator, and it just keeps going and going and going, piling on top more stress and more anxiety and more worry, uncontrollable worry. So the first thing that's going to happen is that stress has to be detected by your body. When that happens, your body is going to release the fight or flight system, or our sympathetic system is going to be activated. That is going to directly influence all other visceral and organ functions, and it causes our adrenals to produce our stress hormones like cortisol and adrenaline. You might notice this because we tend to get an increase of heart rate, or all of a sudden you can hear your heart pounding in your chest. You start biting your nails or grinding your jaw. Your palms get sweaty. We get butterflies in our tummy. All of those things are happening because our nervous system is responding to that stress, telling our organs and our visceral system that it needs to respond to that stressor. Then as stress continues to go up into our higher level neural centers through our dorsal horn, or our sensory portion of our spinal cord, and our spinal tracts, which are the roads basically going up and down our spinal cord. There's specific tracts that carry specific things like pain and soft touch and those type of things. Basically they're just direct roads from the body to the brain and from the brain to the body. Our brainstem and our cerebellum, all of these relay them to the thalamus, which is our higher brain centers, and then our amygdala, which is going to be our stress and anxiety center. It's our stress and anxiety headquarters. It responds with increased stress and anxiety, which can become a generator. You can kind of stay there. Stress begates that stress. It causes more and more of that stress and anxiety response. And then we get to our hippocampus, which is going to be our learning center. And our learning center actually will shift away from factual learning and goes towards those to that of stress, anxiety, and emotions. And so we actually can't be doing the factual learning when we're stuck in that stress, anxious mode. I think we all can relate to that when you have so much going on in your mind that there's no way you could do like a long division. I mean, long division would be tough anyway, but doing a long division with everything going on in your head, with that movie replaying, or just the stress of the day going on, it would be almost impossible when we're stuck in that to do that math problem. And then stress is going to continue to that frontal cortex and to your other brain centers. But that frontal cortex and your frontal lobes are directly involved in motor function, problem solving, spontaneity, memory, language, initiation, judgment, impulse control, social and sexual behavior. Therefore, when we're stuck and we're stressed and our brain is not working as it should because it is stuck in that stress generator, we have to break up this cycle. Chiropractic can help you break this cycle, help your nervous system to calm down, help you better adapt to that stress. If this is you, give us a call. You don't deserve to be living in this stress pool, in this stress generator. Let's create a plan. Let's get you so that stress is not taking control of your life.